Look at the deer family. No. Bye. Trying something new, y'all.
You remembering this when you was a kid? So good, make you slap your mama. Ooh, ooh. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. It should be against the law. You're a serious buster move.
I love your cooking utensil.
Mm-hmm. Just tell me, use what you have got, and you won't need what you have not.
It's like a whole little family. It's really cool. So it is 8:23 and it is dark already, and I am preparing for bed. Yes, I go to bed super early, but I am excited about one thing. I have discovered the way I like to set up the inside of my tent, or at least how I like to set it up thus far. Good morning. I slept with my whole sleep system last night, and I was very warm. I didn't have to put on my puffy or my beanie or anything, so that was pretty cool. On another note, I weighed my pack without food, without my ice sacks and micro spikes, and it was 30 pounds. That's a lot of weight, so I'm gonna figure out how to get that down. I don't know. I want to get it down to like 20 pounds, but I'm gonna have to eliminate a lot of stuff, so I don't know. We'll see, but we'll be on the trail in a little bit.
Like 6 weeks or so, he said he was coming.
So we just started the trail. Say hi, Dad.
Good morning.
He cooked us an awesome breakfast with some very festive pancakes. So we have energy to do this thing.
Come on.
That's kind of gross.
You got quite a bit of stuff in there.
That's gross.
Hey, that's part of nature.
We're going down, y'all.
Oh yeah, you might want to put that down.
What you gonna do, Dad? pretty cool.
I mean, it's all concrete there, but I just want to.
I'm just gonna walk on this thing up here.
Oh yeah, that's what I plan on doing.
Why are you trying to jinx me, Dad? I heard something.
Don't stop. You don't get off of it.
You can do it, Dad. You can do it. Good job. It's pretty though. Y'all, every sign that he sees that's fallen over, he goes and picks it up and like fixes it.
The ground's hard. And the tip is broke.
Aha! Dad, I think I have a solution for you.
What you got?
Are you using the skinny side or the big side?
I'm using the side and the person.
Did you get it, Dad? Look at you.
Super big. All right. You don't have it where you can do it all. Cut me off.
We didn't do all of that.
Well, this is just a good chunk of it. Yeah, when you try. We did 2 point something of that one. We did. That one was 1.3. We did all of that one.
We didn't do all that.
We did cross timbers, maroon.
We didn't do all that.
That was 2.2.
We didn't do all that.
All lies, all lies. Let's see. And then we're coming back down. Cross timbers, we did all cross timbers, 1.6.
Did we, Dad?
Absolutely.
I don't know. I don't know if I believe you.
Lani. Girl, I brought you in this world, take you out.
Oh, we going back to that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you trying to show out for the camera.
You're supposed to go in with your dad. What your dad say, go.
Oh, okay, Dad.
You ain't your mama. Okay, cross timbers. This is every day you're gonna be walking.
I know.
Work it out.
So we're almost done with our hike today, and I have a couple concerns. My first concern is that even though I have these insoles in my shoes, after a certain point my feet did begin to hurt, and I need to get that all figured out before I leave, because I'm going to be walking tons of miles every day. My feet can't hurt like that. And the second thing is the side of my hip right here feels numb. I think I'm going to go to REI and see if they have any recommendations, because that can't be good.
Well, you can go and go back on the other side and push it back the other way. So he know he's going to a certain way. That's just amazing and easy. Because he definitely know where he's going, Lani. Because look at him, he's going.
I was trying to collect firewood, which is in fact prohibited, and I cut myself in there. But that is why you have a first aid kit. And we're gonna put one of these on there. I never thought I would actually have to use it, but hey, it is what it is. What is this? Grip pull stick. Where do you grip it? Grip here. Ha ha! There we go. Cool. I littered. And I'm like, what is that? Ow, it hurts. Is it a person or?
Yeah.
I'm fixed. Anyway, we are making dinner. Well, my dad's making dinner. I'm just kind of like his assistant. And, yeah. Steaks for tonight. Okay, I'm about to go because I'm like all over the place. I asked him if he had anything to say, and he was like, I don't have anything to say to the camera. And then I turned the camera to him, and I haven't even turned it on. And he's like, this is TW. Dad, is there anything you want to say to the camera?
Yeah. This is TW signing in. TW stands for tightwad. So, in about 5 minutes, we're going to be chowing down on some 2-inch steak with some corn on the cob and your favorite drink, Dr. Pepper.
Okay, so no, when did you take it?
I can't tell you. I'm at the key. I just seized the opportune time to seize the steak. Like,
So I told him he could have the rest of my steak, but he like stole it off my plate. I didn't even realize it was gone. Like, you little thief. But
I'm like that movie your mom and I watched the other night.
What movie?
I'm the good thief.
With Liam Neeson, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay, bye. Good morning. It is Sunday. It's Easter Sunday. And it is time to leave. I already got my stuff outside the tent. I just need to take my tent down, but it's been really nice. And I learned a few more things this trip, so yay for that. And yeah, less than a month before I go.